Hi. I had an anxiety attack this morning and it was pretty bad. I ended up curling up into a ball in fetal position. So I had to go inward to figure out where it came from and why. So I kind of connected it to feeling ashamed about myself. I can still hear relatives always telling me to stop pissing people off. Stop making these people mad and uncomfortable. Basically put me in a box in order to please others. And it kind of helped me understand and realize that our families are the first set of people that teaches us how to be ashamed of ourselves and how to care about what other people think. They taught us how to keep ourselves in a box and put ourselves last. I still struggle within myself to be myself, my whole true self, because I still hear people in my head, people from my past, people I don't even talk to anymore, telling me things that make me feel ashamed of me. Why do I need to feel ashamed at the way God created me? This also ties with the way we go on about religion and Christianity because, like I always say, it starts in the mind.